Okay.
then 2,
Yeah.
and then 3,
Yeah.
then 4.
Yeah.
Now you have to do this 4, like that. You have to
Just the only 1, 2, 3, 4. Huh?
4, yeah, 4,
4.
but fast,
Faster.
faster.
Oh.
So when you do this one is like this, and then 2 is like
Please do. Then
then
3,
3 is
3, thumb, index and little,
like this.
like this, yeah. Little,
Little one, that's easier.
and then 4, first to 4. Yeah,
Oh, it's hard.
yeah, it's hard, it's hard.
Yeah. 4.
Uh,
4.
you want to do it?
3.
1,
1,
2,
2,
3,
3,
and then 4.
4.
Not 4.
Oh.
Not 4.
4.
And then
One.
you want 1, 2,
2,
3,
2,
and
3, 3, 4.
not 4. 1, 2,
Oh,
3.
oh.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then you have to move it fast. This is one of the important exercise in brain activation.
Oh.
This is what it is.
Very interesting.
See, if I'm doing like 1,
1,
Then 2,
2,
middle and the ring, middle ring,
3.
middle
Yeah.
and the ring.
Oh.
Then the thumb, index and little. Yeah, correct. And then thumb to
2,
ring.
3, 4. Oh.
Then 1, 2,
2,
3.
3, 4. Yeah. 簡単です。
All exercise are difficult. And this, and this.
Yeah. This have. Yeah,
You
yeah.
have to move.
Yeah. The brain gym.
This,
Yeah, brain gym.
Yeah. This is, and this is.
Yeah, I have. Yeah.
Uh,
And this
method of you and me
I don't know lah. 1.
1,
Yeah.
then 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2.
finger exercise.
Brain gym.
Brain exercise. For activating your systems. These exercises are important to get the vision from here.
Yeah.
From here.
From here. What's some here?
Yeah, if the child wants to take the book and see,
Yeah.
they have to do this exercise quickly.
Yeah.
This is very important.
Yeah. But which principle can put on the
The principle,
head?
the principle is this chakra. I will show you.
Chakra.
Yeah,
Yeah, I know.
this is very important.
Yeah.
So how do you improve this one?
Yeah, we can pass the energies from
Seven.
here to here.
7 color.
We can open this chakra. When this chakra is open, all the chakras are balanced. Just like that, Mr. Akigawa, when he was trying to come, I see that he is wearing a black coat.
Yeah.
Then I'm going to ask you, is he having 3 kids in his home? So once you start, your energy starts from flowing here to here. You can see so many things. So this is a very
So
beautiful
how
thing.
do you activate
With the breathing.
with breathing? You do
Breathing.
it with breathing.
There is a
It's a
specific breathing.
different
Different
breathing for
breathing.
different
Yes.
chakras.
Different breathings.
Yoga.
Different breathings.
Do you do yoga or
No, I use the yoga brain methods.
yoga? Okay.
Yoga brain methods.
How old is good? How old age?
Age, there is no age limit.
Huh?
No age limit.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No age limit. Can you read it?
Can you?
I am doing these things.
Yeah, she does.
But you read the book.
I can see the things.
Oh, you can see.
That's what I was talking with Yumiko Tontani.
Oui.
Once you start energy, when your energies pass from here to here, you can see so many things. So this is very important if you want to see things.
So, can you take a private lesson
Yeah.
for 3 of us? If he is interested, we don't mind. We can come and pay you.
Yeah. This is actually, you can release your diabetes levels.
Diabetes.
You can release your diabetes levels.
How long do you need to teach?
4 hours.
4 to 5 hours.
5 hours?
Yeah.
Then we learn on Saturday.
Yes, we are leaving on Sunday, so it's better to do it.
Saturday,
If you are
Saturday
willing,
I'm in
we can.
Tokyo SeaWorld. I'm going to visit Tokyo SeaWorld.
On Saturday?
Saturday. A full day I'm there with my kid.
Saturday whole day.
Indian just only you
Me and my
Family.
kid.
or teen.
Yeah, I teach only.
Sunday.
I'm the one only teach.
Sunday.
Yeah.
What about Sunday?
Sunday I'm leaving to India.
What time?
Sunday
What time you are leaving?
at 10 o'clock I'm having my flight from Narita.
Ah.
Narita airport.
Then we have to wait Thursday. Wait after 5 o'clock.
You will be tired after 5.
If she finish in time, then it is okay.
Yes.
Because the last day she is having some ceremony, certificate ceremony, and then the dinner. That's what she has mentioned.
No, does it have to be continuously 5 hours? Can you break it tomorrow, 2 days?
2 days. We will see how we, because she has to finish, because Babara was telling me that Mr. Sharma is arriving tomorrow. So this program will be longer.
Yeah. But we really want to learn that
So
that
tomorrow is
chakra, the opening the chakra.
Opening the chakra is very important.
After this seminar,
We'll go to her.
That's we need to finish this thing in proper time. Then only we can do.
Yeah.
Oh, what about today 2 hours, tomorrow 2 hours, and
Thursday.
another day 2 hours. 2 hours, 2 hours, 2 hours.
Or if she starts little early, then we can manage the time.
Today.
No, we can come early, 10 o'clock, before 10 o'clock.
But
tomorrow.
this place is not free.
No, we can go to the hotel.
We can come
Hotel,
to the hotel.
yeah.
But in hotel room, the hotel room is small.
Small.
Hotel's reception area.
But she can't.
Reception, there are the people are going.
Other people are going
They are
to
not
get
giving the
disturbed.
privacy.
If we can make it here, it will be easier.
You which hotel you live?
Diamond Hotel. It's a 5 minutes walking
Diamond.
distance from here.
Diamond Hotel.
So how much do you charge if you teach 3 of us? You think about it and you tell us. We don't care about it because after coming all the way,
I will convert the Indian currency in
yes,
yen.
and then you tell us. We can divide the money together and isn't it? Yes.
Yeah.
Because after we come all the way,
After today, we
we can go to her
to
house.
them. Yeah. Yeah.
But
Teaching.
what she says is in her hotel, its room is smaller.
Yeah.
So there is no place.
There is no place. So we have to ask them at what time they open this center.
Yes. Then we can come tomorrow early here.
No open. Right?
No, it is open.
Okay.
This side is open.
Yeah,
Only
yeah,
that
yeah.
hotel
Yeah,
is
yeah.
closed.
Okay.
This side is open.
Okay.